What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the invalid destination address in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after that it will fix the invalid destination address issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear this cache memory of messages app. So to clear it, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.